My dear students, today I am going to discuss about the lifeline of national economy. Okay, so before starting the lifeline of national economy, I want to discuss some important points why the lifeline of national economy is so important. Okay, so India is well linked with the rest of the world despite of vast size, diversity and linguistic, uh, socio and culture differences etc. Railways, airways, waterways and roadways are the most important source by which we connect ourselves from one place to another place, from one person to another person. If we discuss about the communications, we find that radio, television, newspapers, even internet, cinema, these are the source by which we can connect ourselves from one person to another person. We can learn a lot of things. It may be the political, social, economical and so on. If we want to connect ourselves with the rest of the world, we find that trade and investment is a good source by which we can learn about the different cultures, different socio-economic conditions, etc. So in this way we can say that uh, if the life of the people, anybody wants to increase or in if anybody wants to it enrich with culture, with other growing amenities, it is an important to uh, utilize the different mode of transport and communication. So in this way we can uh, interlink ourselves with the rest of the world, with the society, with the different parts of the country. So first of all I am going to discuss about the roadways. So India has one of the largest road network in the world. It is about 2.3 million kilometer. So what is the importance of this road in the development of the economy? This is the basic question. So the following points will highlight the importance of road transport in our life. So first, construction cost of road is much lower than that of the railway lines. That's why the road is also most important. Road scan transverse comparatively more dissected and undulating topography. So it helps us to understand the different kinds of monsoon, temperatures and other things. So road can also negotiate higher gradients of slopes and as such can traverse mountains such as Himalayas. Road transport is economical in transportation of few persons and relative a smaller amount of goods over short distance. So in a simple form we can say road is very economical in transportation. Next, it also provides door-to-door services. Due to that, the cost of Loading and unloading is much lower in respect of other mode of transport. Road transport is also used as a fiddle to other modes of transports, such as they provide a link between the railway, a station, airport, seaport, etc. So in this way we find that the road has the great importance in our life. Now the road is classification of roads. There are six types of roads. First is the golden quadrilateral superhighways. The government has launched 6 lanes superhighways which is connected with all metropolitan cities such as Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. The north-south corridors links Srinagar and Kanyakumari. So Srinagar is situated in Jammu and Kashmir, whereas Kanyakumari is situated in Tamil Nadu. If we move towards the east and west corridors, we find that it is connected with Silchar, which is situated in Assam, and Porbandar, which is situated in Gujarat. So in this way we can say our country is connected from all sides. The major objective of these super highways is to reduce the time and distance between the mega cities of India. These highway projects are implemented by the National Highway Authority of India, which is known as NHAI. Okay. Now come to the next point, that is the national highways. This is the second classification. These are the primary road system which is maintained by the Central Public Works Department, that is known as CPWD. A number of major national highways runs in north-south and east-west direction. The historical national highway, that is known as Sher-Shah Suri Marg, is known as National Highway number 1. So national highway links extreme parts of the country. Sher-Shah Suri, that is the national highway number 1, it connects from Amritsar to Delhi. Next is the state highways. The highways which connects state capital with different district headquarters are known as state highways. These roads are constructed and maintained by the State Public Works Department, that is known as PWD, in the states and union territories. It has also a great importance that people also travels from one district to another district. It also carries huge amount of food grains, raw materials from one district to another districts. So it has also a great importance. District roads. These roads connects the district headquarters with other places of the district. These roads are maintained by the Jila Parishad. Next is that is the most important, that is known as the border roads. Border road organization is framed by the government of India. It constructs the road and maintains also in the border areas of the country. This organization was established in the year 1960 for the development of the border roads. In our country, that is the northeast area, that is connected with a lots of mountains, hills, densely forest. So other mode of transport was not suitable to serve or to maintain different economical and social development. As a result, our central government decided to construct the border security roads. Not only it preserve our country from the other areas, but also for economic development it is a very different terrains. Other roads other roads means the roads which is present in the village areas. So rural roads which link rural areas and village with towns, such roads is constructed under the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. In this way, we find that there are variety of uh, roads in our country. So now, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that the length of the road per 100 square kilometer of area is known as the density of road. So one question may be asked from 1 marks: define density of roads. The answer will be the length of road per 100 square kilometer of area is known as density of road. But in our country, the distribution of road is not uniform. Road, road transportation in India faces a number of problems such as volume of traffic and passenger. Not only this, it also faces the problem of narrow bridges and culverts, which is very old. In some cities, it is highly congested. The national highways are inadequate in our country. About half of the roads are melted, which is not unmelted, sorry. About half of the road is unmelted, which is not useful in the rainy seasons. So in this way, we find that in our country there is a number of roads, different kinds of road. However, on the basis of the density, it is very inadequate. Okay, so all these things will help you to write the answer. So please go through these points and try to make your own answer. Thank you.